Hey, so here's Corq app. To install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and this is one of the campus dashboard apps where you can just log in with your student ID and see all the schedule, all the events, and yeah. But it's not like you can see your grades, and it's not the app about more education. I think it's more about like campus life, and you can just discover some cool events, learn about clubs and organization in your campus. So all of that. So super interesting. So just tap open. Um, then you can just select the campus. You can search all campuses. So yeah, you can also search other campuses. Let's see, maybe some other bigger campuses. Okay. There you have it. So for example, Stanford, you have that. You can see the campus. You can see if there are some upcoming events, and then you can just sign in. So yeah, that's the idea basically. So yeah, I'm sorry I can't show you more, but I think you should get the idea of the app, that you just get all these events and all of that. So that's how the app looks like. You can see all the organizations. Yeah, so if you find this app useful, just leave it in the comments below. What do you think about it? Yeah, why are you using it? Any other better apps, or why this app is cool?